How to fix Meta AI not working on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the source bar. Now simply type WhatsApp. Now once you're done, simply tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on WhatsApp and make sure to update to the latest version. If any update is available, simply tap on update and update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on your device. Now scroll down and click on apps. Tap on app management. Now tap on the search bar. Now type WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp. Now click on force stop. Now go to storage usage. Tap on clear data. Now clear the data and go back. Tap on clear cache. If nothing solves the issue, go to the Play Store again. Now uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. I hope this will fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.